Fix Google Chrome browser not appearing full screen on your laptop. So in this video, I will help you fix your Google Chrome browser in order to have it full screen on your laptop or PC. First thing that you need to do is you just need to tweak with your keyboard. So if you can find there an F11 key, you should be able to find it there and click on it. And from in there, it should be able to give you a full screen of your actual option or your actual Google Chrome right here. So if you want to exit, just click on the F11 again and it should be able to exit. Alternatively, you can also click onto this three dot menu right here. And then from in there, just find the customize option that we can see from this part. So if you can find it, you can see also the zoom option like this one and also the full screen button around onto these parts as well. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.